Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to do developer initialization on a Ricoh Mp 3054. So say exit. Okay, it won't start here. I was here already, so it's going to be like this. The machine is going to be like this. So what you do, you press this. After pressing it, you press 8 0 6 1 8 2 C. You hold on C until you see SP mode. So here you say system SP, you click there, then here you count 1 2 3 where it says process. You click on that process, then here you press 1 2 3 4 where you see initial TD, which means initializing what? Developer. Click on that. After there, then we're gonna see where it's gonna tell you execute, which is 1. Press execute. There it will give you this button. You click on it. Now it's busy. You wait for it. But the same trick can work on other Ricoh machines, though I'm working on 3054 MP. Okay, it's done. Then after when it's done, I can say exit. I want to make a copy and see if I want to make a printout and see if the copy is fine. Oh, it did print. Yes, printed, but my copy is still, it's not that beautiful. Can you make a printout? You have something to print. It's not very beautiful, but I did that. But print something which you like, you want to use. It's wrong. Okay, let me put for the password.
Sure. Means any? Alright, para que seja piso, pode. Phone record.
Okay, we're gonna print something. We'll see if it improved. How many you want?
18.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna look at our copy. We see what's going on.